You want to learn a trick that nobody's done except me? You can be the second person in the world to do it. Let's learn the Cobra Kai Shove It. The Cobra Kai Shove It. This trick has never been done by anybody in the world except me. If you land this trick, duet this video so I can watch you do this trick. But today, I'm going to teach you how to do the Cobra Kai Shove It right now. The Cobra Kai Shove It is a shove it variation. Now, when you guys are on the board, the first thing that you should know how to do is a regular shove it. A regular shove it's pretty simple. Front foot, back foot, jump forward a little bit, make the board turn. If you can do that and you have amazing balance, you guys can do the Cobra Kai Shove It. The Cobra Kai Shove It is we're going to catch it with the front leg only. So, a good way to practice this is do the shove it, but just land with the front leg. And land with the front leg in the back. It helps you with your balance at first. Like that. And then once you have that step, now we can learn the Cobra Kai Shove It. I'm going to show you the Cobra Kai Shove It right now, and we'll explain what we're doing. That is the Cobra Kai Shove It. Now, as you saw, instead of doing the shove it and keeping the back foot forward, you're going to kick your knee up. You're going to go into the Cobra Kai special position when he did the hop kick. You're going to balance it out, and you're going to drop it down. That's it. So you can practice it on the ground. Do the shove it. Land on it. Bring the foot forward. Keep your balance. The arms are important here. Arms are super important. And then put it down. If you can land this trick, who's going to be the second person to do the Cobra Kai Shove It? Duet it. Let's see it.